Matt, let's get up to speed. Automotive News recently reported on how artificial intelligence is enhancing automotive marketplaces and expanding services for their customers. Your data shows that over 70% of Cars.com shoppers are undecided when they start their search. That's a huge number. Now, for the average person, the traditional filter based style search can be overwhelming, especially if you don't know what you're looking for. Cars.com just launched an AI search engine for car shopping called Carson. Tell us how Carson will change the way shoppers begin their car buying journey.
Yeah, thanks, Emma. Thanks for having me. And excited to kind of see that metric and how we are going to change the shopping path for those users. To your point, I think 70% being undecided is a little bit of a mix of people uninformed about cars broadly, but then also the other side of that coin is people that have multiple makes and models in mind, and they just aren't sure which one's going to ultimately fit their needs. When they come to a typical site and have to input a one brand, one model into a set of drop downs, they start to narrow their funnel like really quickly and don't always get to have all of the context that they would actually like in that search. And Carson really allows them to just input something natural language. Tell us what you are looking for. You are a family of 5 that needs a car to go to the soccer games on weekends and bring the dog in the back. That's something that can be input in Carson that beforehand you'd have to, filter down to something that meets those needs.
Yeah, it's very cool. I was telling you before we got on the recording, just I've tried it and it does serve up some interesting results, like interesting results that I might not have expected, that I might not have chosen for myself. So I think that's pretty exciting. You're gaining a ton more data from this about consumer intent and consumer behavior when it comes to car shopping, even more than you already have available. What are you seeing shoppers search for on Carson?
Yeah, I think we see an interesting mix of practical, emotional, lifestyle, and then very specific sort of niche searches that are coming through Carson very distinctly. That, like I said in the past, we wouldn't have known sort of the intent as well behind the search. What I like to the analogy I like to use is there's probably a conversation that happened before you ended up on a car classified website to look for something. And it was, well, I need it to do X, Y, and Z for me. And now we get to see that conversation almost. They can have that directly with us, and we can be a part of helping them move down and find the vehicle that really matches those needs well.